when you go out into nature, take the time to really get in tune with what is around you and really get into the feeling energy of nature, allowing nature to really nurture you. Hey warrior, hey, it's your girl Lauren Danielle, also known as the Hula Empress, and I have something divinely insane that I have to share with you. Stay tuned. I wanted to share with you 3 ways that you can naturally detox. 3 simple, quick, and easy ways that you can detox. A lot of times we think we gotta, go through these strenuous things and we have to start a triathlon, or, we gotta take all these pills and herbs and all this stuff to, to detox. And really it's very simple. So I want to share that with you today. This way that you can mentally detox is by doing a brain dump. So when you are doing a brain dump, that is allowing you to clear your mind of the excessive chatter that you may be experiencing. Okay, so a lot of times we have like 1,000,001 things literally running through our mind, and we feel like, how can we get rid of it? Can we get rid of it? And a brain dump is a solution. So real quick, let me just tell you how to facilitate your own brain dump. So take about 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes, and then you can work your way up. It just really depends on how much things are on your mind. So start with 5 minutes. Get in a quiet space, center yourself. And then you're going to have a piece of paper in front of you. You're going to have a pen, something to write with, a pencil, pen, and you want to put 2 columns. On the left side, you're going to put things I can control. On the right side, things I can't control. So the things that you can control, at the end of your brain, the things you can control, you're going to come up with action steps of how you can, move forward with those things so that you are not excessively thinking of it. And then on the things you can control side, that could be something that, someone said to you, or someone said to you, and there's no way of changing it. They are stuck in their ways, or it's something that doesn't even make any sense. So what I always recommend for a brain dump is within those 5 minutes, write down literally everything that comes to your mind. Like, it doesn't matter how silly it sounds. If you write earring on the paper, you write headpiece on the paper, whatever. It may sound silly, but it's a thought that came to your mind. So as you're doing this, you're releasing all these excessive thoughts. And when you're done, you'll be able to look at that paper and see what are you primarily thinking of. And sometimes you'll have repetitive things on your paper. So that really goes to show you that, okay, that's something I have to address. Whether it be me taking control or me just realizing I can't control that situation, or at least not right now. So I need to move on from that situation in some kind of way, or some type of fashion. And so, yeah, that's what that brain dump would do to help you mentally detox. Now, the next thing I want to share with you is how you can physically detox yourself. Sweating through exercise, any type of exercise, is what's going to help you to physically detox. So for me, y'all already know, if you've been following my page, my channel for a minute now, you already know hula hooping is near and dear to my heart. It is definitely a simple, quick, and effective way to physically detox your body. But there's other ways that you can detox as well. Of course, there's walking, there's Zumba, there's actually going to the gym and working out. Yoga is a form of physically detoxing the body. So really what you want to do is either produce sweat or at least get the bodies moving so that you're releasing stagnant energy within the body. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite way to exercise? And the third thing I want to share with how you can naturally detox is by going out in nature. Yes, simple and easy. And, most of the times there's, a nature scene near you. So take a few minutes to just go out in nature. As a matter of fact, I was supposed to go out to nature today and I didn't, but I will this week. So when you go out into nature, take the time to really get in tune with what is around you. and really get into the feeling energy of nature, allowing nature to really nurture you. So if you feel comfortable, take off your shoes, place your feet in the earth and get grounded. That is actually a ancient practice that helps people to bring healing to their body. You can hug a tree as well, especially if you feel like you're holding on to so many things. Just think about it. Trees are so strong. They survive all types of weathers and storms. So they will be gladly to receive and help you release whatever it is that you're holding to. Think about the giving tree, right? But what I like to do when I do that exercise, I ask the tree to take away whatever it is that is, that's keeping me feeling heavy, and I ask it to release it and take it and transmute it into something beautiful. Because we don't want to just release that's just like if you go to your friend and you vent and just release negative energy, or release what you're going through and vent or whatever, but you don't have anything to give to them in return for them listening to you. So when you are going to these trees, give some love to the tree and ask that it be transmuted into something beautiful. You could be producing some flowers that tree never experienced or whatever. So, keep that in mind when you go out in nature and just enjoy the scenery. So I just wanted to come on and share those 3 quick ways that you can naturally detox. Those are some of my favorite ways to naturally detox, and they're simple and it's quick. So if you enjoy this talk, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button, because I'll be dropping some more simple, quick, and effective ways that you can bring well-being to yourself. All right, I'll chat with y'all later. Until next time, peace, love, and vibes so divine. Let's relax, connect, elevate. Peace.